Hello everyone, welcome to part 94 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website. And in this video we are going to continue working on the product filter, and in this video we are going to work on the sizes product filter. Okay, sizes we are going to work. Okay, so let's see the sizes here. Okay, so we are going to manage the sizes dynamically. We are going to dynamically show, like, every category is having its own sizes. Okay, because they have their own products, and we will show the sizes of those products that are coming on our browser. Okay, by selecting any of the category. Okay, like we have opened the man category, so we will not show the female sizes here. Okay, we will only show the men sizes. Okay, so like this, our filters are dynamic. So now, first thing is that we want to show the actual sizes that the products are coming right now. So we will create that function, like we have created that the color function earlier. Now we are going to show the get sizes function here. Okay, so let's create that function straight away. Public static function. Here we are going to create the get sizes, and here also we are going to pass that get cat IDs. Okay, cat IDs of this, like the URL that the customer open. Okay, we are going to check whether that is the main category or the subcategory, and if that is the main category, that we are going to fetch the subcategory as well. So we are going to fetch all the categories that belongs to this men. Also we are going to fetch, in the case of man, we are going to fetch the main category, where we will get this man category ID. Along with that, we are going to get this subcategories ID as well. Okay, so all the IDs will come in array, so that we are going to use here as well. So in the same way, we are going to fetch the product IDs from these category IDs. Okay, so after fetching the product IDs, then we are going to fetch the product sizes. So here, after that, we are going to fetch the product sizes. Get product sizes, we are going to create another variable here, get product sizes. So product sizes are the part of the product attributes. If you see that in the earlier videos, if you remember, that product attributes contain the sizes of all the products. Okay, so we will pick the sizes from here. So we are going to use here the products attribute. Okay, so we are going to select here the size from here, sorry, size from here, and size where status must be 1. Okay, we are not going to select the inactive sizes, we are going to only select the active sizes. Okay, and after that we are going to add that condition wherein, okay, where in the same way we are going to use this one. Okay, like this, wherein we are going to check here what is the product ID. Product ID, not ID, but we are going to check here the product ID, where product ID must equal to one of the product of these one. Okay, we are going to use this complete array here, and we're going to compare this product ID with this array, and we're going to fetch all those products. Okay, and here instead of family color, it will come group by size, and here also we're going to use here this size. Okay, so I'm going to check it once, that whether we able to fetch all the sizes or not. Okay, so I'm going to dd here, do and die, and dollar sizes, and let's see that whether, sorry, not dollar sizes, in fact that I'm going to correct it, get product sizes. Okay, this one we are going to check now, and I'm going to open here our page, and here see, we need to call it first of all. Okay, like we have called that function as well. So I'm going to open the filters.blade file once again, and here filters.blade.php file here. Okay, so now I'm going to check where the sizes are, rating site, here it is. Okay, so like we have done in the color, here also we are going to call this sizes here. Okay, here in ULLI, so I'm going to do it here. Okay, so here I'm going to call that function php $getSizes, and here ProductsFilter, then getSizes once again, and so this category details, and here the cat IDs come up in the same way like we have done with the color. Okay, so now we are going to check here. I'm going to refresh and we'll see. Yes, here I'm going to see all the sizes are coming, large, medium and small. There are three sizes for the product, so all three sizes are coming here. Okay, so now we are going to loop through these sizes here li. I'm going to remove the other li's here, just will keep one li so that we can loop through these li's. Okay, so like we have done earlier, we are going to add the for each loop here as well. For each dollar get sizes as dollar key dollar size. We are going to end this for each loop here. For each okay, so this dollar size we are going to show it here. Dollar size also sorry. Okay, so now other than this we are going to replace this id with the size then the dollar key, so that we have the specific id as see id match always match with the 4. Okay, so that we can have that specific so that it will not conflict with the other one. Okay, so here we are going to add the name will come as size. Okay, and value in value this side will come, and other than the value class. Okay, class that filterAjax class. Okay, once again we will add the same class because we are already having its function stored at the filter.js. We are already included that file earlier on in the series. Okay, so this is the filterAjax, and now we want to see but we want to select the size specific size as well in the same way like we have done earlier with the color. Okay, so we are going to copy that one. That will really help us to save our time. In the same way we are going to do that one as well, like this one. I'm going to copy this one and will use for the sizes as well. Okay, here I'm going to use this one, and here instead of color size will come. Okay, instead of colors here we are going to use the sizes, and instead of this color we are going to use the size. Okay, so this size checked we are going to use here to select the sizes that the user selects. Okay, size checked, fine. So now we are going to add this one in the product controller as well. Here like we have added the condition sorry, not here but in product controller. Okay, like we have added the condition for colors, we are going to add for the sizes as well. Okay, so see here there is for the sizes we may require to add the join here. Okay, so let's see update query for sizes filter. So like we are doing there we are going to use first of all like this. Okay, so I'm going to close this, and here instead of color size will come. Okay, like this sizes we will explode in the same way like we are exploding the colors earlier. So after this the main thing, category products, and now we are going to use the join because the sizes are in products attributes table. So that's why we are going to use the join here. We are going to join the product attribute table with the products table. So we are going to do it like this. We are going to join it like this, product attributes, and the column that we need to match with the products table column. Okay, so that is we are going to match see products attributes product id column, products attributes, yeah, we're going to match the product attributes product id column with that. Okay, so here I'm going to pick the product id column. We are going to match this column uh, with the products.id. Okay, products.id, like this. And then we are going to use the where in condition. And here once again we are going to use here the product underscore attributes, and dot size must be matching with the must be matched with this dollar sizes. Okay, one of the dollar sizes must be matching with this one. And after that we are going to use here, I think it's enough. Yeah, so let's see. Now we are going to refresh this one. Some syntax error has come. See what is the syntax error exactly. Here only in join product under attributes, product under attribute matching with this product id, uh, and okay, we have not closed. Okay, so here equal to also we need to put it like this. Okay, now I think it seems to be fine. Let's see. Yes, now it seems to be fine. So now we are going to remove that from dd from here, and we are required to return as well. Okay, return these sizes. Okay, we are going to return these get product sizes like this. Now see, yeah, sizes are coming dynamically. Okay, for this specific category. Like if you will open any other category, like I'm going to open the woman, so woman, if not having any side, you can see there is no sizes. Okay, you can see the side is not coming as at all, because the woman, we have not added any kind of attributes in woman, so that's why the no sizes are coming in woman. So so sizes will come dynamically, like we are showing the products, like the colors are dynamic, now sizes are also dynamic. Okay, so now see, now all these products are having the large, medium and small size, so that's why the large, medium and small size are coming. So I'm going to check one of these sides here, large size. Okay, all these products belong to the large size. Okay, so I'm going to select this small as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove some of the sizes, like I'm going to remove here the large side. Okay, because I want to see less product for the large side, because I want just to test this feature. So I'm going to remove like large sizes. Okay, like if I will remove only small, medium, large will come, but large will not have the much of the products. Okay, so like this, like if I will refresh this one, okay, so one issue has come, column status. Yeah, because here we are also required to update this status belongs to the product attributes or products, because status column is both in products as well as the product attributes table. So we need to specify that which table we want to use here. So I'm going to use here products, so I will specify it like this. Okay, so now this error will not come. And some other error, I think it is coming, products dot status, maybe somewhere else we are using this one. Okay, so I think we are using here as well. So maybe the error because of this one, I'm not sure. Let's see if error is due to this one, not for this one. Error is not because of this one. Let's see, in column id in order closing was select start from product. Once id is the now the issue. Okay, not the status error is gone away. Column id in order. Okay, let's see. Join products. Okay, so we need to select, I think, somewhere else also. Okay, so everywhere we need to do it like this, like products dot status, that is fine. And here like products dot id like this, and make sure that any other place, if there is any place, it's now fine. Okay, so now you can see we have selected the large size. So these products only are having the large size, so that's why. Okay, only these products are having the large size only, so that's why only these products are coming. Okay, you can see the large size, only first product is having, this one. Okay, so like if I'm going to select the small as well, let me select the small as well. uh, okay, small and large are both there. I'm going to select the medium as well. Then you can see two more products have come up, or five products are come up, because only five products are having. Okay, I think there is some issue, because here you can see only two products are there exactly, like this one and 14. Only two products are having the attributes. Okay, are having the sizes, but here we are showing the five products. Okay, so we need to make sure that everything is correct. So for that, we need to check here, like here our query must be correct. Okay, so we need to see here, we need to add one group by, because here the same colors are repeating again and again. So sorry, same sizes are repeating again and again, so that's why. So here we will use here the product attribute, so that the same product id will not repeat. Product attributes dot product id. Okay, dot product underscore id, so that it will show the correct result. Group by, because what it is doing, it is showing it like three times this one and then two times like this. Okay, so I'm going to refresh now. See, only two products are now coming. Okay, so the product id, here only two products, that is product id 1 as well as the product id 14. So I'm going to check, I'm going to verify red casual t-shirt and blue t-shirt, whether it is correct. I'm going to open the products table and we'll see that whether it is correct or not. It is showing two products and that are having 1 and 14 id. First product is having blue t-shirt, t-shirt is there. Yes, it is there, fine. And the next one is having the 14th id. 14th id is red casual t-shirt, whether it is there, red casual t-shirt. Yes, fine, results are fine. Okay, two products we are showing, both the products are having the large, medium as well as the small size. Actually, see, 14th id is not having the large size, so only one product will be there for the large size, that is the product id 1. So once I will select, like I will remove the small and medium, or if I will select only large, then only one product will come. Let's see, I will remove small, I will remove medium, then only one product is coming, that is blue t-shirt, that belongs to the first product, because the only first product is having the large and this first product is the blue t-shirt, so it is working fine. For large we are only having one t-shirt, so that's why it is coming only one. For large as well as the medium we are having the two t-shirt, so that's why it is coming twice. Okay, as well as small. So let's see now, we are going to check the these colors as well, so that we need to see whether colors, along with the colors, yes, it is working fine. Now it is showing just one product, because only one product is having the blue color, another product is having some other color, so that's why. So both the sizes as well as the colors are working with each other. Okay, and also these filters will come, okay, with will work with each other as well. I'm going to select the black color as well, and I'm going to select the green color as well. Okay, so the other color also I'm going to select. I'm going to see, yeah, now it is coming. Now the both the products are coming. Now I'm going to check now this one, highest product 1350 product will come at the first position. Let's see. Yes, it is coming. So sorting is also working fine. So sorting as well as the sizes as well as the colors, all three filters are coming fine, working with each other. Okay, so once I will select the lowest, then you can see the lowest product is coming at the front. Okay, at the first place. So finally we able to do these filters. And one more thing we are going to do here, I'm going to open the products listing Ajax, that Ajax products listing, and here we'll make sure that we are going to add the another condition here for the that site. Okay, for the site, and if the size is there, if size is there, then it's fine. Otherwise we are going to, I'm going to move it like first. After that, first we have done this sort, so that's why first sort, then color, then size. Okay, then now here the condition like sort, color, as well as now we're going to use here the size. Okay, so that it will not create any issue in paging as well, so it will work fine. Okay, so this one, remember to do this change as well. So now in next video, we are going to work on some other filter like brand filter we are going to work on, then price filter. After that we are going to work on the dynamic filters, other dynamic filters. Okay, like fabric, fix pattern, okay, fit pattern, those filters also we are going to work on. So filters will take some time, but one by one we are going to work on all the filters. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And also please join, please subscribe as well as join the channel. You can always open youtube.com stack developers. Okay, always open this channel, and you can always subscribe as well as join the channel. Okay, simply subscribe it to get all Laravel updates, and you can always join the channel so that you can get the source code and you can compare my code with your code and resolve your issues. Also you will get the complete support if you will join the channel. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.